Hi guys, so one of my friend that is new to the chess plays her opening move randomly, which is dangerous as some opening moves can easily checkmate you, and usually new players do that. So if you are new to the game, you should watch this video till the end. So today I will talk about one of the worst first move white can play, and that is pawn to g4. Now why pawn to g4 is a bad idea? Because you are not occupying the center and opening the center for the black. Now black's best move will be d5, and this will cause the bishop to open and bishop can easily take the pawn. Now you can respond by moving pawn to f3 to protect your pawn, but this will cause more problems because the next best move for black will be e6, and now the queen can move here and cause the checkmate. So the only way right now you can protect from getting checkmate is to move to h4 so that your rook can protect your pawn. This position is not good at all because now the bishop can move here and then here to cause a checkmate. What you can do, the next response will be from black will be this, because it can move here and cause a checkmate. But the next response you can say from the white will be to protect this area so it cannot get checkmate. But right now the game is over, because if queen plays as h4, even though black is losing his queen, the game will end as in white will lose right now. Now if this will be played, this won't be a good idea from the black. This is not the best move for the black. Black best move is to lose queen. Black take the pawn at h4, rook take the queen because the king is in check, and now the bishop can easily move to g3, and that's a checkmate. Nothing can happen now. King can only move here and it's check, still check. Bishop cannot block the path, nor your knight. So here is the simple checkmate, and all because of a bad opening move. So this is one of the worst chess move you can play your opening, whatever. So therefore now in later videos I will discuss about some other bad moves as well, but I will also be making videos about some of the best chess opening, such as English opening and ready openings, that will give you significant boost in your game and you occupy a good position in the game. So thanks for watching.